everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for stopping in today to watch this video tutorial. Today we are going to do another one of our card designs. We have maybe, I don't know, 5 or so left, so we're going to try to get this finished up, and then I have some more great videos planned for you. So today I'm going to do this card sketch. We've been kind of working our way through. It is the third from the left on the bottom. It's a nice simple card sketch, and we're going to use, I haven't used yet on one of these. So let me set that aside. And we are going to use the Adventurous Sky Bundle. Now I did a class with this on the cruise that we did. And I love this one. It has 3 different planes. It has clouds, some kind of ground designs, and then several sentiments. And then it has great die set that not only cuts out the images here, but it also cuts out this great little biplane. So we're not using the dies today. We're just doing a simple little card. And then we have great designer paper. I love this stuff. Let me show you real quick. This one has different elements that you can cut out. So like a card front and different pieces, and then these fun tags at the bottom. We're going to use those today. And then this is the back of it. It's kind of a world view with little planes and flight paths. This one I love. It's a grid pattern with all the little planes. Then on the back of that, we have this copper clay plaid. That would be great for fall projects too. Then we have another world map with just navigation lines, maybe? I don't know. The back of that is this great plaid pattern with navy that could be used for anything. We have some green. There's a very subtle plaid or grid pattern behind these planes, but I love the mossy meadow. And then the back of this is just kind of an aerial view of buildings, kind of suggested. And then who doesn't love a good cloud paper? Clouds are always great, and sky. And then the back has this gray granite plaid. These are great masculine patterns too. We have the planes in color. And then the bottom we have kind of a topography map, which is in navy. So lots of great patterns. So let's get started. I thought we'd go with a copper clay card base. I'm just going to do all my cutting here. And we'll just cut this 5.5 by 8.5. All right. And then I'm going to do a layer of, I thought that was navy, but it's not. It's the wrong color. I pulled the wrong color out. Let me go grab the right color. And I even put it next to each other, and that was Misty Moonlight. I want Night of Navy. So we're going to go with a 5.25 by 4-inch mat of Night of Navy. Okay, that looks better anyway. And then I thought we'd use some of this this pattern with the planes, and we're going to do 5 by 3 3/4. I'm going to cut 5 inches off this way, and then 3 3/4. That's going to give us two mats. All right. And then I thought I would use this tag. This is a half sheet I had. I cut half off. I'm going to cut this off right at 4 inches. And that should cut my tags off. Okay, and then the tags are 2 inches each. So we'll cut this at 2. And we're going to use this tag. Okay, we're done with that for now. I just need to grab my paper snips. Well, that's dangerous. And we're going to cut off this extra piece here. We don't need that. All right, I do need a punch to punch a hole through here. Let's see, I have some hole punches. Let's see if I can get that punch straight. I kind of need, I really need 1/4 of an inch, but I put that somewhere else. So I'm just doing 1/8 of an inch. But that's okay, that makes a cute little tag. All right, now let me show you this is coming out soon. It's called Natural Tones Linen Thread. It comes in navy, mossy meadow. Is that mossy meadow or garden green? I don't know. To me, it goes with either. And then copper clay. So it goes with all the color. It's in a suite that's coming with some Christmas things, but it goes, all the colors are in this paper pack. So make sure you grab an extra pack of this when it comes out to use with this plain paper. Because you'll want a pack to go with your Christmas, but you want a pack to go with this. So you need lots. This is beautiful, beautiful twine. I'm going to grab, I think I'm going to grab the copper, only because I'm going to use navy ink. So I'm going to grab that copper in one more place. All right, let's do a little assembly. Okay, so we have our copper clay base. We have our, whoops, I got my ribbon in my adhesive. We've got our blue paper. I think most of the planes are going this direction. So we'll layer that on here. And then we'll just layer this on the card front. I love that already. All right, let's grab a little bit of, I want to do a double layer of string. Well, I've got adhesive on the bottom of that, so let's cut that off. Okay, we're going to fold this in half. And then put that folded ends, the folded part through the tag, and then open it up on the back to make those 2 loops, and then we put the tails through the loops. Just like that. Don't pull too hard because it's just paper, it might tear. I'm just making sure my knot is snug. I grab my ribbon scissors and maybe just trim that just a bit, because we want to kind of stay within the boundaries of our card. So let's get some dimensionals and maybe pop this tag up. Put one in the middle. All right. Did I peel that off? I can't tell. I think so. Okay, so this is going to go right in the middle. And then we need to do a sentiment. So I picked the happy birthday out of the set and some Night of Navy. You can do this 2 ways. I die cut a little banner from the Stylish Shapes dies. Everybody should have one of those, a set of those. Or you can just use a scrap of basic white and then flag the ends. You don't have to have a die set to do anything on this card, but I do have it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I just want to make sure I get my words straight on here. If not, we'll go to the other one. Oh, that's okay. It's a little bit low, but I can live with it. All right. I can't pick anything up today. Okay, I'm going to pop that up too. Dimensionals. The edge. A little more in the middle. I like this one. We have a tag, another one that's the plaid, but I like this because it has like the little compass symbol. And pop that on there. Now, if you wanted to add something else, you can, or you could leave it like this. You could do some embellishments. Let me look what I have here. You know what I have? These are on the top of my drawer. These are Adhesive Back Solid Gems. They have lemon, maybe boho or balmy, I'm not sure. And then the copper clay or Cajun Craze, I don't know. They're pretty interchangeable. Do I have one that's already open? Let's do that. They're pretty interchangeable. Copper clay and Cajun Craze. Cajun Craze is a little brighter in tone. All right, so I was using this to scrape tape off of my desk this morning. That's why it is not in my pick tool. That's a good use for that. Actually, this color looks really nice too. It's got some little itty bitty ones there. I'm gonna scooch that over. I think that looks good. I'm not even gonna add anything. I think that's a really good card right there. We do have a piece of white to go on the inside if we're using a darker base. Let's see. Let's do happy birthday. You're the best, plain and simple. I love that sentiment. I have used that on a lot of things so far. Let's see if we can just put this on here. And see if we can stamp it straight. Cute. Isn't that great font? Look at that. Do I have copper clay in my, no, my copper clay is in a project somewhere. So we're just gonna go with a little plain right here for the inside. And here's our, let's grab an envelope. And we'll stamp a plain on our envelope. One of the things with these card sketches that they have done is make them easy. So you do not need to have a bunch of tools unless you, but if you have them, you can certainly use them. But you could get by without the tools if maybe you have a couple circle punches. As far as flagging the ends, you can do that with your scissors. Let's go back here. So as you can see, if you can see this one right here, it's a base with a layer. I think I've added one extra layer right here, and then a square or a rectangle or a tag, and then a little banner, and that is it. So super simple to make these cards. On here, the only place we're really using tools is if you have circles or maybe a label or something. Use what you have, or you can absolutely buy more. I would be happy to sell it to you. So this suite, let's find this suite real quick and show you where it is in the catalog. Oh, did I go past it? No. It's up in the beginning of the suites. It might even be right here. Take to the Sky. It's page 36 and 37. So it has Adventure Sky bundle, and then Take to the Sky designer paper. Also has these fun trinkets, which I didn't get, and I knew I'd have to dig for them, which I forgot to do. But there are many of our embellishments that go with this, and this twine is going to be perfect to go with this one. So, and then we have more plain ideas right here, along with the sketches that are on page 22. So, I hope you enjoyed today's project. We'll do Monday's project with this suite as well, so you can get another idea. And thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you would like to place an order, we still have a few more days of our dollar days. So with every $50, you're going to get a $5 coupon to use in August. And then if you spend $50, I will send you a kit of our cards, our card class. I can't talk today. Our card class for that we did on Thursday. I'll send you a kit of that along with the pack of embellishments. So just use the host code below in the video, and I will see you on Monday. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.